warning in effect from 1 a.m. Friday to 7 p.m. Saturday. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 4 a.m. Friday to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? For the blizzard warning. Ground blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations up to 1 inch. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 60 below zero. Where? Northeast Aroostook and Northwest Aroostook counties. When? For the blizzard warning, from 1 a.m. Friday to 7 p.m. Saturday. For the wind chill warning, from 4 a.m. Friday to 7 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Isolated to scattered power outages are possible. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 5 minutes. Additional details. In addition to low wind chills, areas of blowing snow could cause whiteout conditions, particularly across open areas exposed to northwest winds.